Well, okay, I'm about to go to town on this side of the house. I had 5 people when I got here. John left at 12, Alyssa, Cass, and Amy left at 2, but they got lots done. They got the garage, we sprayed the garage twice. Alyssa and Cass painted all the trim, the door, the window trim, everything. And now we got this side of the house all ready to go, and I'm about to hit second coat on it with the sprayer. So here we go. Can I jump over to that one? Yeah, I think so. You could do this, Dave, easy. There we go, that wasn't so bad. Oh, it's hot out here today. So, second coat is almost done. I got all the top on there, just hit the bottom. Now I'm gonna move over to this top section here. You always want to make sure that you have this thing pointed straight, always. You'll see at the end I kind of fan off when I meet my line. That way I don't spray as much, and always let go, start, let go, start, let go, start, let go. Try to kind of pass it like a lawnmower too, kind of. Okay, we basically got to do just this lower section here. Move the scaffolding over. Almost there.